Okay, right to left. We got 6, 25, 24 Mogami with switchcraft, 90-degree elbow, and some pancake. A couple that can use an end. I guess I can make one, but that's more cable for you. And a ton of used 2314. Excuse me, 2314, excuse me, 2314, again, Mogami, wherever you're from, Mogami, yeah, and like 20 of these, 19 or 20, I don't know, you can count, use the photo for reference, 11 of those, 4 of those, and longest assembled, ready to go is about 13 inches. Longest unassembled, it doesn't really matter now, does it? Consider that a freebie. It's a smoking good deal. I use lead-free solder for anyone who gives a rat's, you know what, and yeehaw, it's a smoking good deal.